how to log out of Amazon app. If you would like to log out of Amazon app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Amazon application right here. And as you can currently see is that I'm currently logged into my account. Now what if I want to log out of my account, maybe because I want to switch the account or anything as such? Tap on the three lines option located at the bottom right corner, which will take you to the menu page. When you are on this page, simply scroll down to the very bottom. You can see the sign out button right here. So tap on the sign out button. It will ask you for a confirmation that if you want to sign out. So yes, you can tap on the sign out button. But before that, if you just want to switch your account and not completely sign out, so you want to keep this account while also adding another account, so can you switch between them simultaneously, you can go ahead and do that as well. Otherwise, you can just tap on the sign out button, tap on the sign out option, and then you can see that I'll be successfully signed out of my Amazon account. This way I'll be able to log out of my Amazon account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.